the paint video. I know that it wasn't exactly supposed to be a two-part thing, but I ended up having to wait almost 2 weeks for something to arrive. And that something is right here. It's the Flake for paint job. Yeah, I don't know what color it is yet, but yeah, I ordered that and ended up having to wait 12 days for it, almost 2 weeks. It was all because of this whole COVID-19. They lost the package between Paint with Pearl and Denver, Colorado post office or something. It was not being tracked, and it was lost between there. Me nor the guys at Paint with Pearl that I contacted knew where the package was, but it was shipped out. They told me to wait to the end of the week, and if it didn't arrive, to let them know. So I did, and ended up they reshipped another one, and it came here in 3 days. So is what it is. This video is going to be titled "The World's Cheapest Flake Paint Job," due to the fact that this was $17 after tax, shipping and all that, to my house. And then I have this clear coat. It's a 2K clear that my buddy bought a long time. I wouldn't say a long time ago, but he did it after he wrecked his car and bought a new hatch for it, the back of it. So he bought that, but I had to buy some Activator because he couldn't find his for $20 plus $30 for that. So that's $50 for the clear coat plus $17. That's $67 plus the first paint, $117 total. Because that paint was out. $32 with the gun. That's $50. So all the math, but that's excluding the tape and the sandpaper and the plastic. The tarps I already had, so I'm not going to count those. But yeah, so I got to spray the mirrors also. So I guess I better take these guys up because I forgot about having to spray these also. I wet sanded this run all the way down, which you really can't even tell there was a run there with 2000 grit. And then I did it right here too. You can kind of see this one still, but it's down far enough where it's not going to bother me. And this one, this was in the first coat, so I got it down right around it. It's primer, so I'm going to leave it right there. Hood's over here, got a front lip. It's going to go painted too. Front bumper. I got a lot over here now, so I can actually kind of see over here better than what I could. I'm really debating on the spraying today. Like today. It's all gonna be the same video for you guys, but I need another one of these. I can't reuse this one. Taped up and cleaned off as good as I can get them. Honestly, it's not the best, but it's literally, they won't come off. I tried sanding off what I thought was dirt, but apparently it's like under the paint. I don't know, it looks like some rock auto mirrors or something, dude. But I'm going to spray today. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we ended up having to make a 4-to-1. It's 4 cups, 5 cups total, which is about a liter, which is what I filled up that original thing with the black paint. So we're gonna do 4 cups of this and 1 cup of this, and then two teaspoons or tablespoons, wherever the hell they went, of this.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.